Shane's Hobby Shop is a viewer-supported channel. If you would like to support this channel, links are in the description below. And thank you for your support. Well, hello, and welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. That's right, we're back in the kitchen. And we're also going to try out the new Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Want to see what we're going to make? Well, stay tuned. Alright, well today what we're going to do is a very simple recipe, something that I've been doing in crock pots for the longest time. What it's going to be is a barbecue chicken. Very simple. Instead of doing a crock pot, we're going to do a pressure cooking, so it's going to be a little bit quicker than that. But this also has an air fryer on it, so we're going to finish it up with the air fryer. Alright, so let's get busy. Okay, here we go with the pressure cooker opened up. I'm going to put some chickens in here. Just go ahead and just put them anywhere you like them. Got some thighs. We're going to put some legs in here. Do one more leg. Alright. Now we got that, so next step we're going to fill with water, just enough to cover up the chicken. Alright, there we go. Just enough water to cover the chickens, and that's all you need. Okay, make sure you get the lid that's for pressure cooking. The one that comes on it is actually for air frying, but we need the pressure cook one. So let's go ahead, put this lid on. Make sure the vent in the back is set for seal. Turn it on. We're going to do pressure cooking. It's going to be for high. We're going to set it for 20 minutes. Like so. And then start. As soon as it comes up to pressure, it'll start counting down for 20 minutes. Alright, then we'll see you then. Okay, now let's lift it up. That's our chicken. Now next step, I'm going to go ahead and take this chicken out. I'm going to drain the water, and we'll show you what's after that. Okay, this is our chicken here. I'm not too worried about that little water that's still in there. That's going to be okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to be taking some of this Tony's Sashimi Creole seasoning. We're going to go ahead and season up our chicken now. Some of that in there. Let's toss it around. Do some more. Okay, now then, we got the Ninja cooker back on here again, but this time we're going to use this little air fryer attachment. Put that in there, and let's go ahead and put our chickens back in. Alright, now then close the lid. This time I'm going to turn the power on. We're going to go to air crisp. We're going to go to 400 degrees. Let's set the timer, let's say 5 minutes. Oh. Let's go 10 minutes on air crisp. We're going to start. Alright, we got that section done. One more section, we're done. That's what our chicken looks like so far. We're going to go ahead and take it out one more time. Okay, next up, we got some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. Go ahead and just pour it all over it. Now, I've seen some people go online and say, oh, we're making barbecue chicken, but yet they probably put a tablespoon of barbecue sauce on the entire chicken. I'm sorry, people, that's not barbecue. Yeah, now all you're doing is, like you see here, just making sure it gets all evenly coated. The other one didn't get it, so let's get him up. Alright, let's put that back in the fryer. Alright, well, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that is perfect. Well, there you go. There's our barbecue chicken. Let's go ahead and cut into one and see what it looks like. I love that charring on here. And ooh, look at that. Nice and tender and hot. Let's go ahead and try a piece of this. Ooh, look at that steam coming off of there. Lovely flavor through and through. I taste my Tony Sassery, I taste the barbecue sauce. It's nice and tender and juicy. It's a win. Alright, well, if you like this video, please give me a little thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. My name is Shane, and this is still Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.